This is the ski tow pole for the 2024 Sun Tractor pontoon boat. You can see here it just goes right into the base right here. This is what is included from the factory, just this insert right here, and then this is the ski tow pole right here. It's about 46.5 inches. Thing's pretty heavy. It weighs about probably 45 pounds, and I'm gonna install it right here. It's just gonna screw right in here. And so this is what it looks like here installed. It's just a quick, simple, just turn it in there and it screws right in. Just put a little bit of pressure on it to make sure it's safe and secure in there. You'd see there's no movement on here at all. I picked this up from Bass Pro Shops. Pretty much that's the only place I was able to find it. You're not able to find this online. Nobody online knew like any part numbers or anything like that. So finally, how I was able to pick this up at Bass Pro Shop, I actually had to go to the parts department. The parts department had this in stock. They said sometimes they do have to order them, but if you have the Sun Tractor pontoon with a built-in tow thing here, you absolutely want to pick this up. It's just a much easier way to get this for the towables, and just a really nice feature to add on here. But again, if you're looking to get this, Bass Pro Shop from the parts department. They don't have it like in the actual store. You have to do it by like the service and parts. But overall, very nice product, very easy install, and it's going to be great for towing.